Hi, my name is Uwais. I did my graduation at Al Salama Institute of Architecture, Perinthalmanna. I got an opportunity to do my internship at Sri Lanka with architect Philip, PW Architects. There I started the journey in tropical architecture. There I was lucky enough to experience the depth of Jeffrey Wawa's architecture. Later I joined with architect Kashaf Mahboob Chowdhury, Urbana, Bangladesh. He has won the Aga Khan 2014 award. In Urbana, for the design, they spent extended time for the study and research to reach a level of innovation and original expression to avoid the rushing through the design process. In 2019, I have started my practice as an extension of my journey tab, Tropical Architecture Bureau, with my friends, architects Anas and Ajmal and Subi. This was situated in Manjeri, nearly 2 kilometers from the center of the town. Nowadays, we have seen many concrete jungle in cities. This was one of among them. We have designed the space based on two factors: client budget and professional life. Actually, we have created a dramatical experience of being in a garden, so the office is connected with the beauty of landscape outside. We have given the large opening so that the user can enjoy the walk through the long common space. And the Heritage block allows the cool air go through the other side. There is the breathing process of the space happening. The frequent air movement creates a passive ventilated space. We have exhibited original character of each material, which reduced the budget and created a pleasing sense. We have actually tried to extend the space using glass partition so the user won't feel less space or volume, which also exhibit the outer climate character. The views inside are always overflowing to the external environment. The MD's cabin is designed in a way that visually connected to the other spaces, so he could see and control all the activities around. We have used the walls as an experimental art with available leaves within the site. It created a rustic and clean environment to the space.
ഇത് കിട്ടിയത് ഈ ബിൽഡിങ്ങിൻ്റെ ചുറ്റുപാടിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടിയ സാധനങ്ങളാണ്. അതായത് പപ്പായ, തേക്കിൻ്റെ ഇല, പിന്നെ ചീമക്കൊന്നേൻ്റെ ഇല, അതുപോലെ നമ്മളെ ചെമ്പരത്തിൻ്റെ ഇല, പൂച്ചെടീൻ്റെ ഇല, അങ്ങനെ പല ഇലകളും വെച്ചാണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തൊരു ഇതാണിത്.
ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ ചുമരിനെ ഒന്ന് നവീകരിച്ച് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഷേപ്പൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് മാറ്റിയെടുത്ത് കുറച്ച് വികൃതമായി കറങ്ങുന്ന ചുമരായിരുന്നു. ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ തേച്ച് ഒന്ന് ഉഷാറാക്കി അതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഗ്രൗട്ട് വെച്ചാണ്ട് കുറച്ച് ഇലയൊക്കെ പൊട്ടിച്ച് കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ പറഞ്ഞു നമ്മൾ ആർക്കിടെക്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആ ഇലയൊക്കെ പൊട്ടിച്ച് കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് നമ്മൾ പച്ചയിൽ തന്നെ ആ ഗ്രൗട്ടിൽ അത് ഒട്ടിച്ച് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അവർക്കും നമുക്കും വലിയ സന്തോഷമായത്. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ അത് കുറച്ച് സമയം ഒന്ന് ഉണങ്ങാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് വെച്ച് പിന്നെ ആ ഇല താനെ അങ്ങനെ പറിഞ്ഞു പോരുകയാണ് ചെയ്തത്. നമ്മൾ പറിച്ചെടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഫിനിഷിങ് കിട്ടില്ല. പിന്നെ ഈ സീലിങ്ങിലൊക്കെ ഗ്രൗട്ട് തേച്ചതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ ആർക്കിടെക്ട് ഈ ചുമരിനെ ഈ സീലിങ്ങിനെ എങ്ങനെ വൃത്തികേടാക്കി തരാം എന്നാണ് നമ്മളോട് ചോദിച്ചത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കേട്ടപ്പോൾ ഒരു കോമഡി ആയിട്ടാണ് തോന്നിയത്. പക്ഷെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അത് ആർക്കിടെക്റ്റിന് നമുക്കും വളരെ രസകരമായൊരു സംഭവമാണത്. വളരെ വൃത്തിയായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റി എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മളൊരു വിശ്വാസം.
We have given a gathering space, given multi-purpose classroom which can convert to a hall. In upper level, we have a dining and an open air gathering space too. With an open mind, I strive to find answers with the context. We have taken this project as the challenge because of its existing structure. Have tried to get an experiential quality to spaces. Have tried to find right fit for using concrete as a material for the interiors and to add some texture. Simplicity is deeply rooted in our local architecture. Minimalism is not a new concept in Kerala. The traditional architecture here embodies aspects of it. We aim to minimize removal and modification of the existing character. The building has been conceptualized to have two separate zones divided by a long corridor. The right side best suited for the training programs and the left side for MEP design studio and office space. The bookshelves have tilted design that is completely open for simplicity of use and reduce direct view of the shelves. It is a space where one can engage with the beautiful surrounding and environment. The initial idea was to avoid limiting the interior completely, rather blending two together, so the natural and cool air would enhance the microclimate. For the furniture design, we have used steel bars and waste wood from client's mill. My close relation with the client led to his greater involvement in the crafting of this building, especially building services and furniture. He insisted on using easily available wood rather than a specific varieties. And that's how we ended up using the waste wood from his mill, which we placed in the design to maintain a simplicity and add beauty. We used a planter box as an old water storage kudam. We locally call it bdav to create a sense of organic form within the space. We have tried to convey our design through material palette and different volume of the spaces. The key concept were we demonstrated here the main motto of our design. To be more specific, we have kept in mind throughout the design the idea of simplicity and more naturally connected environment. We are glad that we could establish the client's requirements and the artistic vision of our firm. Last but not least, as the famous quote goes, what art offers is a space, a certain breathing room for the spirit.